channel. If you're new here, hello. If you've been here before, well then you know what's up. Today I will be doing an unboxing of my Canon T6i camera. I hope you all enjoy. So I got the camera around 12:15 and it's now about 12:45, and I ordered this camera actually last Sunday and it got here today on Friday, so it took like 5 days to get here, so that was pretty cool. I was expecting it to come to my house later on in the day, but it ended up getting here now. I've been talking recently about me getting a new camera and how I've been wanting one, so I ended up buying one. So I'm pretty excited because I went broke for a little bit buying this, but it was worth saving the money for it. And I just wanted to upgrade because I've already done like 10 videos with my iPhone. I first had the iPhone 6s and then now I have the iPhone X. If you want to see the unboxing process of this package, go ahead and just keep on watching. Right, so got my cute little keys. Now I'm gonna open up the packaging. Hopefully I don't rip anything. I've seen videos where people like use scissors, and I'm kind of scared to use scissors because I don't like scissors or glass. So anything sharp, basically. So this was my easiest thing to do. Okay, so this is just the paper that says basically what I got. Canon T6i. It came in a weird packaging. It's a box inside a box. So it says the Power Shot. But that's not what I got, so hopefully it's not what's in here. Okay, so I'm really scared. Just kidding. It's supposed to come with a bunch of different stuff. It doesn't have the original packaging because this is a refurbished product. And plus I saved $271 on this because Canon was having a sale. They have it from now till March 4th, so if you're looking to invest in a camera, do it now. And I'm pretty excited about this. Kind of scared, but I'm excited. Tape's hard to get off. First, it comes with, so this is basically just a thing telling me that this can be counterfeit. So, just to be careful if I want to buy one of those flash Canon speed lights. Thank you for purchasing a Canon product. And so it's basically saying I can download my warranty online. Here's a disc. I don't know why there's a disc. Oh, it comes with a cute manual. Gonna come in handy. My lens. It's so pretty. It's just a simple 18-55 millimeter. This is wow, it's actually really big. And then let me open this up because I want to actually. Wow, it's like looks freaking brand new. I'm shook. It doesn't really go that far out. This is just the stationary battery charger. So yeah, it's the original Canon battery charger. I have my official camera strap. So everyone knows I'm a freaking awesome photographer. Just kidding. Here's the actual little battery for the camera. It's the legit Canon battery. Ooh. Now here we have the camera. Oh my gosh, it's so pretty. I'm gonna cry. I really don't know how to like open this stuff. So right here we have the camera, and right here is the screen. And then right here, of course, our flash comes out. You just close this up. We have a mount at the bottom, so I can easily just put it on any mount. And then I love how it has an external mic output, and it comes with an internal one, but the internal one's really bad. So it has pretty firm grip, so that's pretty cool. Take shots. And then the battery is located at the bottom, so that's pretty cool. I think I want to put everything in first, so I'll be right back. At first, when I turned it on right here, it got really blurry, like it looked weird. And then once I turned it, as soon as I turned it on, it was perfectly fine. So the flash is pretty fast. Let's see. This retails originally for $800, I believe, and so it ranges from $750 to $800. And so originally this is $720, so that's pretty expensive. Honestly, if you want to save money, just go ahead and just get this one, because if you go on any other website like Walmart or Amazon or somewhere, like they'll try to make you pay much more. Like if you're on a budget like me, like I had a friggin' $500 to $530 budget, and I needed the mic for my YouTube, obviously, and I needed the autofocus, everything. This camera literally had everything I needed. It's the best entry DSLR camera. Just go ahead and get one, and if you can't, like, start off with the simple ones. For video, this is probably your best bet, unless you're doing it just for like vlogs and stuff. I recommend the T6, or like if you want to go for high end, go for the G7X Mark II. I don't know if it's 2 or II, whatever. I think it's Mark II. If you're gonna invest in a camera, like, do your research, obviously. And if you like all the cameras you see, you know what, like, dude, just go ahead and like make sure you know what you're getting yourself into, because if you're not gonna use it in the long run, what's the point of having it? And that's some things I thought about too before I bought it, and I just want to let you guys know, because I know these cameras are hella expensive, and it's okay if it's not the brand new one, like, doesn't matter. Someone bought my PS4 off of me. It was used, but I didn't use it that much, and chances are if you get a Canon camera, like, they clean it up, but chances are like no one's ever used it before. If they did, they bought it like, or got it as a Christmas gift or something, just wanted to return it because they had no use for it. So like, I'm telling you, the refurbished ones are probably better than getting the new ones sometimes, unless you really want a brand new one, like, hey, I earned this kind of thing. I mean, I earned this too, but you know what I mean? Like, some people won't buy refurbished, they're like sketchy about refurbished, but I'm telling you now, like, so far having this, opening it up, being able to take all these awesome pictures and stuff, I don't see anything wrong with it. So yeah, but it's an entry-level DSLR. It's the perfect one for today's new technology. You can even hook up your phone to this bad boy, so that's pretty awesome, because sometimes you don't want to always be like having to go back and forth, switching your settings. You can go ahead and just switch them on your phone, and your phone works as a remote for this. I forgot what the exact word was for it. I'll probably put it like down here somewhere, but I'll go ahead and let you guys know what word it was specifically. And the camera has like no battery right now, which kind of sucks, but oh well. It has really good image stabilizer. The autofocus is amazing. I've done so much research on this camera, like, it's insane. But anyway, so I got this camera. I keep going off subject, I'm sorry. I got this camera for... Okay guys, so I'm gonna give you a closer look. This is the camera itself. So you can see right here. I'm just gonna face this towards me real quick. Well, that looks pretty awesome. I wish I could take pictures of that, but I don't have like 3 cameras. I'm using my phone right now. So see, like, that's the problem like I had before. Like, I wanted to show you guys something, whatever, during video, I couldn't, and now it's like, bam. I want to show you there on the demo. Okay, so let me turn on my ring light. Yeah, look at that. It's like, but everything went dark. Okay, so we can't focus it when it's in video mode, like manually, I guess it has, since it has the autofocus thing. I'm just trying to show you guys like the goodness of this. I'll go ahead and like insert some like practice shots in here and stuff once I'm able to, but yeah, this is a camera. Let me blind you guys. The $486.03, so that was a pretty good steal on my part. I got it off the Canon website, Refurbished, of course, and honestly, so far there's nothing bad about it. The shutter speed is pretty fast. I don't really have much problems with it. And then you go ahead and insert your card on the side, and then of course right here you can go ahead and just put your camera straps. Wow, look at that. I hope you guys can see it. I'm gonna like take a picture of the screen. I don't know if I'm gonna show you guys. No, that was probably. Okay, let's just take a picture of my hand. Oh, my hand didn't show. Okay, let's say I want to take a picture of my phone. And it's cool, it tells you like the ISO and everything. You see, like, I don't even know what I'm taking pictures of, honestly. Like, I don't have a card with me, which really sucks. Basically, look, that's pretty good quality. So this is touchscreen, so I can like touch the screen. Anyways, I wanted to show you guys all the cool makeup. It's harder for me to do makeup videos now, like, without having like the best lighting and stuff. I mean, I have good lighting, don't get me wrong. Ring lights, the freaking OG. But when it comes to like shooting video on my phone, even though I have like 256 gigs, it can still get pretty difficult. Like, say if I want to do something on my phone, something, you know, like I'm out and about, and or let's say I don't have my phone with me, I don't know, like there's just been different circumstances. It's like I want to be able to show you guys like in the best way possible, and even on my camera, microphone isn't like the best in the world, and I want to make a career out of this because this is truly what I love. So I was like, next best thing, gotta get in with the DSLRs, gotta join the YouTube club, be one of the cool kids. Just kidding, I already am cool. But I just wanted to really let me add a little bit more lighting in here. I just really wanted to go ahead and like give myself some new stuff, because I was like, treat yourself, Valentine's Day just passed, and well, even before that I was like, early Valentine's Day gift, I'll just call it that. And I was kind of hesitant on buying it, but now that I actually bought it, I'm really excited. And yeah, so once I get to know more about my camera, I'll go ahead and show you guys. But yeah, my cousin has a T6, so like I somewhat know how to use this, but not really. It's kind of harder, especially that it doesn't have the little SD card. I forgot to tell you guys, it also, the SD card, I think I told you, I'm not sure. I didn't show you. So you open it on the side, you kind of like push it a little bit, and then you like push the little thing back, and then you open it, whatever. And so like you have all this. Ooh, it actually focused for once. Okay, but yeah, that too, I actually really sucked with my focus on my videos, and I want to be able to do those cool like Instagram videos for you guys, like quick tutorials, because I know these can get really lengthy, and I don't want to be boring you guys talking about nonsense for hours. So yeah, go ahead and go get it. I recommend getting it. You want this specific one because it's the only one with the mic output, the external mic. For the regular ones, like I know, actually no, the T5i has it, I believe, so does the T3i, but the thing is, this is the only one I think that can connect to your phone and has the built-in Wi-Fi with it. I hope you all enjoyed my unboxing of the camera. Thank you all for watching. Go ahead and like, comment, and subscribe. Don't forget to hit your notification bell so you know when my videos go live, and share this with all your friends so they know how to be a pro at recording your YouTube videos. Just kidding. No, but really, like, tell your friends to watch my videos, because they're kind of cool sometimes. And then subscribe to me for my followers. If you want to follow back for me on any of my social medias, just go ahead and let me know, like, hey sister, I followed you, your stuff's cool. Go ahead and just follow me, you know, like, let's connect, please. Like, I want to hear all your opinions, good or bad. I love the haters. Haters are my motivators. That's my motivation for all my haters right now. Y'all are really my motivation. So yeah, anyways, this concludes my video. If you want to see like more cool videos like this, go ahead and give us a big thumbs up. And yeah, I hope y'all enjoyed. See you next time with this camera. A bunch of bubble wrap. I can mess with that later. Show you guys, like, look at my mess. This is what happens when you do unboxing.